Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across the job over your master.
The only cheese that will never build Junior belts. I sell all my goods like I don't wanna fire shots no more. I sold my guns. I don't got a bullet left to fire. I be mills, pretty cheese, pretty naturally me money that I got me. One touch, girl. Hey, where's the girl?
You can consider this my resignation.
One cheese, she never mean, she never sneeze. You know what? No bingo. Look here now, I want to play bingo, but I can't take one thing. Once the board not full in time, I'm not gonna do that shit. Furthermore, I don't have a bingo. I don't want to fuck up my cash app, so I think we should just allow the bingo for now.
What are you doing?
Look out, you're not gonna see me post a posters. I so we're gonna start play bingo soon. You look better than come, baby. Honestly, Dolly, thanks a lot, but I don't like the shades. I'm not in the shades no more. You feel me? I'm not real. Just if I compliment me. No, nobody get nobody involved and them something they like. You know, we don't want. No depend that no more. Please, if you love me, work with me. You might say, I'm done with it, man. Can't bother every day.
Already heard the news from the Dover area.
I want to see somebody class to see how I'm going to react to it, cab. Why?
And you could have thought that.
Sell book out there, but we have those shot for bus.
However, this is not make-believe. This is all real.
You're Kitty. I'm classy today. Oh, wow.
Could have prepared us all.
Am I a
for the
kid classy?
crisis we are currently facing.
Talk truth. I do my own hair. I did it on my
So
own.
now our history must be rewritten.
You know what my boyfriend said, don't like to see me carry myself.
Right now.
Some of us throwing she and drag piece and drag. You know, I can't do this, you know. I can't do any style I want in my own head, you know. Yeah, but if me do have somebody else's head, it I go do more professional. It I go
And I tell you that our efforts so far,
fabulous.
unfortunately, have failed. We have deemed it necessary to explore all options.
I go build up
to
as
prevent the
belief.
loss of human
Yalla
lives.
boy. Yes, so
I urge
people.
you all to take this
You really have
situation
nothing but to say
seriously
though.
with the administration and
Obviously, live, love, and love. That they come to tell you every blood clot there.
hereby
And I know
declare
there's a very few of us that put a lot of smile on y'all faces all the time. It doesn't matter if we're beefing with ourselves
crises in the past and endured.
or one another. Then let's speak patois, dialects, anything in him.
With every
By the end of the day,
I beg you
clean heart is everything, blood. I'm telling you.
for one another.
Having a clean heart is everything. Like your tattoo, then I owe you see my tattoo. Then I order uncle see my tattoo. Oh, nobody. I'm just gonna I'm your fantasy. Oh, wicked a blood clot. Then oh, you come by see my tattoo. Oh, this don't look with your two ladies who has scrape off the blood clot and go over back. You lie, sir.
Quit like normal people do.
Oh, lie, sir. You too lie. All when you sell your gun, no pussy there. Brother, them know, you know. Them know, man, but we done with that, dog. Dog, that now gonna when my little friend drop out and big man thing. Big man thing. Me not tell a lie. Enough people dead around me and me never feel so. Brother. Samantha is a true G, is man say?
What is it? Turn around. How's the Royal Pound?
Kita 876. I know, right? Life is lengthy, time is short. In it? Yes, sunshine. How it go? Big up myself in the building and know the badness go. Oh my God, somebody is saying something. Love from Kenya. I love you too.
From the Prime Minister's office.
Right back at your DC the Chaser 8. Sad mama go and hold it. I mean, brother, me hold it like a mullet. Me hold it, man. Me hold it. Cause me tell you this. You see Samantha? Right, that's a girl Kizzy. Search for Kizzy or Kizzy. You see all them girls every day. Me and them girls are watch. Those are the days, like, come on. Me just one day, me just sit down and say, no, me go reach out to Kizzy, you know. I'm just reach out to her on a fake page. You know how much years? One good 6 years we never talk for. Yeah? And when we reach out to her, me, like, at first with a trace her, you know, then me say, so, like she say, me need depend certain things, you know. No, like she has somebody that cuss at me and say, so me left the whole of the gun them gear because I'm more bad to you know people. No get that, nobody take her easy. I'm more bad. And then same time, me just make sure you know say me. You see me, if me and Kizzy can deal, me and any girl can deal, me I tell you that. People don't understand. Right now, me, my opinion, good blessing drop on my opinion for like I not make one mistake one time, long time in my life, and God know it was a mistake and a true. Me not tell a lie. The government of Jamaica knows it's a mistake too.
12 years ago.
Yeah. So, she tired. Talk truth. You tired, truth, man. Say me and Kizzy can get along, me and anybody can get along. You deaf?
I hope this will provide you some answers.
Samantha, Ratty, Kizzy, Miss what?
Of the Troll King.
I'll be all those stuff now, right?
During the Christianization of Norway.
Guys, we are the four the hard way in a Spanish town, and not just the truth. Our name ring a system more than anything else, people. We say Miss What, Cheese, Ratty, Samantha, and Kizzy. I 5 that. Miss What, Cheese, Ratty, Samantha, and Kizzy. I 5 the blood clot. 5 the hard way. The truth. Nobody name the call a girl. Me not call your name for no you Ratty girl. Me not no friend or nothing. Me not call your name for no I don't want you to take it personal. Me put on my gun them. So right now in a real life, me not even want bust the shot. So nobody take it for nothing. You see me, me and she not really 100. Yeah. But guys, it kind of dramatic still in it. It's nice and everything at the time. And what boy? You know we never fight. Me and Miss What alone fight. You deaf, Miss What a real Jenna too. People are truly don't even understand. And it, me not gonna talk certain things that's about Jesus Christ Almighty God. Only who their Spanish town alone can tell you about us. 5 of us? Trouble in the valley. 5 away. I truth. Our name Atta, when we say Atta mean in terms of every minute of trouble, every minute of problem, every minute of something, every minute of something, every minute of something. Yeah? Me and Russia never really have nothing so yet. We just did vex and we fire shot at each other and thing, but I'm not gonna call Russia name call. Russia no call a system like a wow name call a system, brother. Want a gone? I true man don't know how me feel. Me feel if you true, no feel like a joke me and my brother and every turn me turn. When me alone the home, like if me I do something, if me in the kitchen I cook, if me in the bathroom, Samantha just flash right in my face.
His personal favorite right over here.
Okay.
I wonder if Samantha did. Sometimes I wonder if Samantha did for you or a real thing.
Now we need muscle.
I mean if Samantha a real G. Samantha a bad black clot girl, ever rate Samantha. In real life, no doubt. Alright, people me not even gonna talk about the bad, I want to talk about everything, I talk about the good and the bad. Yeah, and Samantha we just don't tear it down. Yeah, now we put it down. And couple weeks or a month after, you don't even know how you and Samantha turn friend.
Prime Minister.
You don't even know how Samantha no walk and carry people in them heart, brother. Brother, I'm not telling you, I don't know who. Someone, brother, she would date things, you know, and then still. When we say dating, physical. Samantha, a bad girl, no? You know Samantha?
That's too far away.
Samantha, yeah. Come like when time people dead or something, people are get the real feelings about people. Brother, if me could have changed the fact that I say bomba blood clot youth.
I got an idea.
Samantha weak me out, you know. Samantha make me do nothing at all. Saturday, no, nothing at all. Brother, I never know how someone would feel about a woman, I swear. Positive message from me to you. Live, love, and laugh. Guys, I don't know if that momento you with me in right now, I got change her for a while, but I beg God, do not erase this out of me. Thanks, nails them do for my birthday. Me say the girl have got refill them because she angle it. She go on. She come from 225 in a Tamara shop. You don't know her? She go on with things. Live, love, and laugh. Live, love, laugh.
There she is.
Me? Nah, make nobody run up my blood pressure again. I don't care unless people don't get me wrong, because they might put on a million blood clot that I make a shoot out. You're mad. You're driving me. Way! You're great! No, it has to be beneficial, guys. Because if me know me can go trace and win one buckle and get a 2 or 1 nil. She&Kizzy. And get all a 1 nil. Why not? Pick up every machine and rise that blood clot and fire base.
A true man. I
Well,
be a true that spit over yourself.
yeah.
She is.
Eh? Wait.
I be a true that split over yourself.
Eh?
We not perfect still, you know. You see me, but me hate the facts if you know say you are all when somebody drop
Say
out.
true, like true. Real
Me
talk.
not, me not,
And
me not
this is
really
not
like
his
them
friend
style
alone
there,
and
you
his
see me?
family to be.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Yeah, me I say we not perfect cause everybody have feelings and everybody have a different type of temper. When some people can hold out and say you're true, me now go back to how me did stay. Some now go hold out like me or you. I'm a
True.
matter of fact, me we hold out. Cause when me see say me really change. Me know you not blood clot hold out. Yeah, go on.
See? Baby, you're surprised that you like your blood clot. Watch out, see? Don't
Yeah,
talk
go
you.
answer but
Honestly, I'm holding
style.
up. And if a fight makes Samantha
And
with
what
girl,
day I'm link Samantha up on TikTok and me I say, yo, your number change, come and I see you on my WhatsApp and she shot it WhatsApp same time. I say, yo, your TikTok are going with a vibe. Do a ads for my party. I'm not if this sister Samantha post my party on her TikTok. I'll take them our TikTok come down. Come I really know nothing about them somebody, you know.
please, our data delete it. Me just a say me no show
No,
you.
but
Because
I think them
flash
don't
that,
come
you
live,
know,
man.
everywhere you go, you see your mother, brother, me feel like I touch it, delete it.
But Dan say she asked Tati and Tati say she don't know about it. But remember Samantha phone, you know.
So, that's why
Remember,
me say me no say me delete everything off of TikTok and left just one something. My God, when me a praise. You know why some evil over TikTok, Kizzy? Me
yeah,
no
true. You know, so enough time I tell myself that. I swear to God, you know, so we go on TikTok and I try come off and can't come off. All
know.
your
Okay.
pot we burn up on the fire.
Me don't talk to you something. Me no want to think
Yeah.
it's dumb and foolish, but to me,
Something about TikTok, the truth is
something
not
about
lie.
TikTok.
Same like
Why
how them come out. Watch out now.
a
Same
funeral
like
are good
how.
to black and white, you know?
Same like how me see them talk now about this thing, about this Balenciaga thing. You see that's something that we are circulate right
Yeah, what
now.
them say? No, me not see here. What go on?
Yeah, I have to go pan go watch. I don't even know if to explain. Some you know in America them bag of voodoo and them fuckers. So
That be the
something with TikTok for
flat.
true. Every minute me delete my page and think the back. It's not a thing when me really. Me we just boring and go on it and that.
That's saying the demon a come over there, buck up on God. Me not have no more video with me a clap body and they sit there over there. I have no more video with me a show the word. Not even the dancing sitting there, me take down everything.
I would just Fatty go where you go. Come just not ask.
Some
I
God
would just talk about Kizzy where you change.
never
You know me change. Fatty.
Me.
You cheese. Tell a girl about me now. She say Kizzy when me change.
Oh,
A Fatty. Tell her I say me really
when I say
change.
in a baga.
And the thing about it, you know, things go on out here, but it just don't go up on the media. Same like how you are watching and hear say me grab the girl over there, yeah. And it don't go up on the media because me can't bother. Me just know say a girl say something about me and me just go for your blood clot. I'm gonna respond and the boy can't send come call me.
Okay.
And you know that so. Things are going but me
Really
can't bother with the media thing.
I'm not care what until now whole on the whole.
Brother, right now, I just can't bother with certain things, yeah, man.
Yep, certain things irrelevant in a people's life for true. No
I'm
joke.
irrelevant.
And then again, we go have kids that we are grow in it. People don't want them, as much as how we not did it for them. Me, not we, me. Not
Yeah.
them. When my one them call out to me, me always make sure it happen. When me not dead, who them are gonna call out to? Them can't call out to nobody, brother.
Well, I'm not lie though. John, no, just me there talk, brother, the day before, even not even go talk it on the live. But remember, me did say it to you, say 3 days ago, me call Samantha name. Come like it just come in front of me. And I like, come like it just come up in front of me and I just can't say the word. Swear. Right now, me and I support them and remember when I come in here to buy.
He told you live, love, laugh. Isn't it, friend? True?
What day me I talk to one of my friends and me I say, yo, things are going good for you, girl, things are going good for you now. In my whole money now and you see me and this just happened so bam. More time me I wonder
Yeah.
where sense, watch you know, where sense we about to work hard for. Me not see because we are work hard and we achieve certain things and when you check it out, bam, we drop out. Why sometimes I don't know what to say.
That is it now with Kizzy. So when you have kids and you grow up, nobody now go want to stay down. Is it me?
Mm-hmm.
So people are gonna always go get where them forget whatever they want and fulfill them needs. Is it me?
Yeah.
That's what Sam did I do. But to me, I go down cause Sam never did for go do nothing. See me?
Nope.
Samantha do her surgery and she do the surgery Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday she did. 3 fucking
Alright, watch you know. If you know sometimes when people did and people start to add certain things, people we say, black people overall we say, Chow, a 3 girl dead now, me can't say that. Let me tell you this. You see before Samantha did, remember when Samantha do him surgery, you know, and come, she do a little TikTok to me. You notice Samantha face?
way
So her face swell and pale. You notice her face?
dark.
I just through her TikTok.
Samantha face dark.
Brother, I just through our TikTok come down as everybody could have go up and go see what we are talking.
You see it when she had blue and the bonnet on her head.
Yes, and like some of my face swell up and some of it like with a butter blood, but I like you see me, brother. It and one TikTok supposed to go around
Say,
with the
now go say,
same.
but let me tell you this. Samantha do did that for no natural cause and the argument done. I don't care who wants to say what they want to say, and that's how I feel. That is it.
But maybe, but listen, all our data see because of them the thing when me see I go around say Tati ask say to her say, oh your face looks and Samantha reply is I true me left my bleaching cream, but Samantha now see but people seeing it. You see me? Cause the
When
data
things
see
are happening to your Kizzy, them way they you can't see it.
me not hear?
When things are happening to you, them way they you can't see it.
No, you can't. Well, me don't know. You have some people we see them dead before but then just can't stop it, you know.
Mr. Kizzy, you draw me attention to the song there now?
Of course, because listen to me now, brother. Me tell us that when my brother dead, me see it 2 days before. So when me get the call, me no shock. Me walk, me pull my door, and me come out. It's Sunday from Valentine's Day, and the bird just drop. One bird from out of the sky just drop a ground and dead, neck broke. And same time, I get the call and cheese. I don't, me can't feel shot nor nothing. Come see it. Then I hit me, I tell you now, say the song with Samantha, that's the last TikTok. Remember Dan come talk about it too, the song in the background, and miss it long time. I said, Jaja God, and I say,
I hear that
I,
song.
I,
I want to tell you.
eh?
I first me hear that song there.
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah, me I
know. Oh,
tell you,
yeah, I'm
me.
not sure you did it, so still,
No,
no, man.
mama, I first me I hear it.
Mm.
Yeah.
And the song, the first thing draw me attention, the song. What the song say again? Like the song really I say, yo, where are you when I
Oh,
need you?
I say, I meant to say,
Something like that.
believe without tell. Well, listen, let me get the right understanding of the song so we know
The
me.
song I say everything. All right, now that song there, she dedicate the song to her man, you know. You
Yeah.
see me? But the song, right now, the song is for all our family member. That me I tell you, if you really listen to the song, and that's the last post that she made.